Hey guys and gals, sweet project cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are at and get you right out of the way. Door panel right here has a repair spot and you can barely even tell where it's at. That's how good this works. Alright, let's go over and fill a hole. Alright guys, we're here from Sweet Project Cars and we've got another video going to show you how to fix a cigarette burn or an imperfection in your seat. Where you'll get the most material will be in the areas where, like on the side of the seat here, where it's not wore down from people sitting in it. Okay, I'll show you. You'll see it start building up. Okay, you see it piling up there? And you're not hurting the seat at all. And it stays right there. Then you just pick it up, put it on your board. Now I have enough here to do pretty much all the little holes and imperfections on the car. I'll fix one of these and I'll show you how I do it. Material off our board and lay it up here. And what I like to do is I like to use the razor blade and actually press it into it. And you see it's an exact match because it's the same material that's in the seat. As I will actually put a couple, I'll do it a couple of times till I get it where I want it. And the reason is because this is kind of a high traffic area on the seat. The door panel over there is not. Okay. And here's the key. The glue dries clear. The glue dries clear. The glue dries clear. That's the cool part. That's all you do. We'll come back and I'll show you. And you can push it in with your finger now, because now your finger won't stick to it. But look at that. Once that glue dries, the white tint that you see, you will not see any of that. And it will stay in there. And then we're going to do this hole right here. And then we got a little spot here. We're going to check that out and see if it's actually burned, but I think it is. A little grease spot there. What I do with those grease spots where it's greasy, try super clean, straight, a little bit, and see if you can pull that out. We'll come back and I'll show you the seat when we get all done with it. All right, guys, the seat's fixed. This glue is still drying.